Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create these Twitch shake effects in Capcut Mobile. So first you can just add the clips that you want to add it, and then click on the second clips and go to animations. Under the in category, add the shake to animation. So let's just swipe until you find the shake to animation and adjust it to around 3 seconds. Sorry, 0.3 seconds. Click on a check icon or just repeat all of this for the rest of the clip if you have more than one clip. Okay, and after you add the animations, you can just head into background and choose blur and use the first ones here. Click on apply to all, click on a check icon, and now at the start of the first clip, go to the video effects and then go to the nightclub category and add the shake effect. So find shake, this one, click on a check icon and make it smaller than the video. So I'm going to go like this, and now you can add a keyframe at the start of the effects, and here just the speed into 100 and intensity around 60. Now go to the end of the effects and set all of them into 0. Click on a check icon and then go to grabs, click on custom, and you can adjust or make this custom grab. Click on a check icon, and now you can add another shake effect in here. Go to effects again, add the shake and adjust the length to be the same with the videos, the second effect. Click on adjust the speed into 5 only and the intensity 8. Click on a check icon, add another effects, age glow effects. So here you can go to effects again, click on lens and find edge glow. Okay, adjust the length the same with the videos and add a keyframe at the start of the effect, and first go to glow 100 and at the end another keyframe here and glow 0. Click on a check icon, grabs, custom, and use this custom grab. Click on a check icon again and now add another. Here let's just go back first, go to effects, video effects, opening and closing, and find the blurry focus effect. This one, and click on a check icon, adjust the length to be the same with the videos again, and add a keyframe at the start, blur 100 and the speed 10. Go to the end of the effects and set the blur to 0. Click on a check icon and now grabs and use this custom grabs. Click on a check icon now, and then in the middle of the video in here you can add another effects. So go to effects here and video effects and add the shake effect again. Click on a check icon, put it at the bottom and make it the same length with the videos, just like this, but in the middle. And now on the first keyframe, set the intensity and speed into 0, and at the end set the intensity to 30 and speed 20. Click on the check icon and then again custom grabs. You can use this custom grab. Click on the check icon and again here add the wide angle effects, the same with the shake effect in here in the middle. Go to the lens and find wide angle, so this one right here. Click on a check icon, put it at the bottom, make it the same with the video, and now add a keyframe and the intensity at the first keyframe 0, at the end intensity 100, just like this. And now you can add keyframes to keyframe at the end of the video, this one, and then here, and then on the last keyframe zoom in the clip like this. Okay, now you are done and let's see the result. So you can just repeat these steps for all of the clips. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.